what we do here is go back.
I just got the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. As you can see, it's from the store Ideal. They don't have the new bags for iPhone 12 Pro, so they gave me last year's 11 Pro bag. It's okay. So I already bought a tempered glass protection for the screen, and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the Pacific Blue color. The story about this color is that I actually wanted the silver one, the white with silver stainless steel sides, but they are all sold out. There are only a couple of them available, and they were only for those who pre-ordered a week ago, these new ones. But for my surprise, I called each and every store. One guy who worked at the store Ideal, that was for him, this piece was for him, but actually he opted out, and they said, actually today there is one iPhone 12 Pro Max available, and yes, I went there and bought it right away. My second favorite color was Pacific Blue, but actually this color has grown on me each and every day more and more. The silver is very shiny and beautiful too. The graphite black was not for me. That is like, for myself it's a boring color, and each and every year there is these space gray models and they look the same. The gold was interesting. I like the shiny gold stainless steel sides, but the cream like gold color was not as gold as I hoped. So overall, I'm happy with this phone, and let's just unbox it. And here it is. Shiny, specific blue color, I would say. It's not like these iPhone 12 and 12 mini blue colors. It's a different color. So, let's take it out. And as you all know, there is no charger inside the box, only the lightning cable to USB-C. But that's good for me, because I am using this one. This is a fast charger. I bought it a couple of years ago. It's 29 watts, and I believe it's, yes, 2.4 amperes. So it's a fast charger that has the USB Type-C on the one side and lightning cable to the iPhone side. So the charger is not a problem for me, but I guess for most of the customers that are buying the iPhone for the first time. So in the box, as I said, is the lightning to USB Type-C cable and some papers, SIM removal tool, and one sticker. As always, nothing special, and that's actually all there is. And here you can see the phone itself. It's shiny, beautiful at this moment, but as you can see, it leaves fingerprints on it quickly. Very beautiful. I love it already. And actually, I don't regret buying this specific blue color. I got the white 11 Pro last year, and now it's time for a change. As you can see, here in Europe we do not have this millimeter wave antenna. That is only for United States models, here or on this side. Here are the buttons. Buttons are very clicky. Mute switch. and the power button. And this is the first year that they show you what each button is for. Like power button symbol, plus minus volume buttons, silent switch, and a place for a lightning cable is here. Here you can see these microphone and speaker grills. iPhone mini has two on the left side and I think two less on the right side. iPhone 12 and 12 Pro has one less on each side, and this is the big 12 Pro Max that has the most cutouts on each side. Let's remove this sticky paper. And here we go. This is the first and last time that it is so shiny and reflective. I hope it will not scratch. Therefore I have this protective glass. And this is the 4 times more drop resistant ceramic shield glass. This glass does not protect from the scratches. So there we go, and we can power it on. And here's the welcome screen, and I'll set up the new 12 Pro Max and be back in just a moment. So I just put on the protective glass so I won't get any scratches. And my first impressions right now is that this phone is very grippy. I really like the size, and actually it's not that heavy that everybody talked about. It really is a comfortable phone, and it really is much grippier and easier to use than previous generation iPhones like 11 Pro Max, 10s Max, 8 Plus, 7 Plus, 6s Plus, and even 6 Plus. Right now I'm filming from my iPhone 8 Plus, and actually I have to say this size is like similar, like they are so similar to each other. They practically have the same size, and if you are a 6 Plus, 6s Plus, 7 Plus and 8 Plus user, be sure you can easily upgrade to the newest iPhone 12 Pro Max because the sizes are that similar. I just measured both phones and they are the same size. Actually they are the same size, but compared to the previous generation iPhones with the rounded bezels, this one feels that much better when holding in hands. Yes, it's a huge phone, but I have big hands. For me, this is the perfect size. They had iPhone 12 minis in the store. It's a tiny, cute phone, and many of you may like this mini size. But those of you who like the Pro Maxes, the 11 Pro Max, the 10s Max, and 8 Plus, 7 Plus, 6s Plus, whatever you have right now, be sure you can upgrade to this 12 Pro Max easily. If this is the year for you to upgrade and you own plus-sized phones and the Maxes, this one is the perfect choice for you. Right now it's restoring from my backup and it had to download the newest iOS 14.2. I guess out of the box it was 14.1, and now it's installing all my apps from the backup. And if you saw my last video, you would know why I chose this Pro Max sized iPhone. My main focus is the battery life. I hope for a very good battery life. They say that it's an hour less than 11 Pro Max last year, but there are people who say that it depends on how you use your phone. If you play games or graphically high demanding tasks, you may see the battery degrading at the end of the day. But normally it should give you 1 full day, maybe a day and a half, and maybe even 2 full days. In the store I wanted to buy a silicone case made by Apple in California. I love this Plum one and the Baltic Blue. And for those of you people who don't know what is Baltic Blue, we live here in Latvia. We are 3 Baltic states: Latvia, Lithuania and Estonia, and we live by the Baltic Sea. And thank you, Apple, for giving the name of your very beautiful dark blue
Baltic Blue silicone case.
This phone will be my daily driver, I hope for a year. I hope that I'll not change it again, as I always do. But for now, let's keep in touch and subscribe if you're not subscribed, because more videos are coming. And yeah, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, subscribe to this channel and my Instagram profile @takeyouthrough as well. Take care and let's meet in the next episode of Take You Through.